Good morning, dear students. Hope everyone is doing well in this morning. Now, we had finished our classes on tense, where we are going to start a new chapter called Direct and Indirect Speech. Direct and Indirect Speech. You might have already heard this. You might have already used it also, but you might not have heard it under this name. Some of you. Some might have heard also. Anyway, let's see what is it. Direct speech and indirect speech. As I written here in short form, if the actual words are repeated, it is called direct speech. Now, what is these actual words and writing? A person is saying something. A person is saying something. For example, your teacher in the class says, the teacher said that he is saying, I am teaching English language. I am teaching English language. Now, this part is not said by the teacher, okay? This is not said by the teacher. Teacher only telling you during the class time that I am teaching English. I am teaching English. This is the actual words of the teacher. This is what actually the speaker said. Now, you heard this in the class, and after the class when you went home, of course now because of the online classes you need not go home because you are already there. Maybe after the class in the evening you meet one of your neighbors who is also your classmate. Due to some reason he could not attend the class, maybe tower was not there, his phone was not there, or he had gone somewhere, or he was sick, whatever it is. Anyway, you happen to meet him and talking to him. While talking, you said to that person, I am teaching English. Suppose you say that, I am teaching English. What it actually means, that is you are teaching English. That's the meaning of it. Now, actually, who said this? The teacher said. So, to avoid that confusion, you are adding this part in your sentence to your friend. In your conversation to your friend, you are adding this to say that this is what was taught by the teacher, but not you. If you tell him, I am teaching English, means you are the teacher. But that is not the fact. Actually, this happened in the class. Mr. Jolly is your teacher. So, you added this part during the language class in our class today. Teacher was telling that I am teaching English. Fine. So, this is added by the speaker, the second speaker, not the first one. First one is the teacher, I myself. I said I am teaching English. Fine. Now, you are the second speaker, you are repeating it to your friend in the same words that I use. So that is why it is put in inverted commas. It is put in inverted commas. When you see that, normally we say quotation, or quotes under it. When you see these words inside the quotation, you should immediately understand that it is said by a person. And these are the words actually used by the person concerned. Fine? So that is what is meant. If the actual words are repeated, it is called direct speech. And this part is added by the speaker. This was not said by the teacher. Only this was said by the teacher. Now look at the next one. If it is said in a different verse, then it is called indirect speech. If it is said in different words, it is called indirect speech. Now you see, I am teaching English language is what was said by the teacher in the class during your first period. Now in the evening you are saying that to your friend, you can use this both the ways. One I already explained to you using the teacher's own words without any change. Just repeating the same thing what the teacher said with this introduction. Otherwise, in the morning first period. Now we are saying this is the past. I mean, since the evening. So it was already past for you. It happened before the time that you are speaking to your friend. Is that clear? So, if the speaker's own words are repeated, the first speaker's words are repeated, then we call it direct speech. And if instead of repeating these words, same message is conveyed, same message is transferred, given to somebody else using different words, that is what is indirect speech. I suppose you got it. That is what is indirect speech. Is that clear? Huh? Is it okay? Fine. Now, certain things for us to notice. One, as I told you, this is called the introductory speech. Why? Using this part, only you introduce this to the third person, that is to your friend. Okay? Here, first person is the teacher, second person is you who is speaking it, repeating it, and third person is the person who is listening to it. Okay. Now here, the teacher said, this much is added by you to your friend. So this is called the introductory speech. Introductory speech. And this verb, which is out of the inverted commas, is called introductory verb or reporting verb. Introductory verb or reporting verb. Why? Using this verb, you introduced or you reported this sentence to a third person. So it is called a reporting verb. This is the subject of the reporting verb. This is the subject of the person who has done this. Okay, this action is this one. So this is called the subject of the introductory verb. Now suppose if the sentence was the teacher said to the class or told to the class, then to the class or the class, whatever it is, or if the teacher told me, the teacher told his friend. Suppose if there was an object for this verb, that is called the object of the introductory verb. When we change different types of sentences into direct speech, we need this. That's why I'm telling you this. So they are also equally important. Okay, this indirect speech is also very important. So this is called the introductory verb. The subject of this introductory verb is called the subject of the introductory verb, and if there is an object mentioned, that is called the object of the introductory verb. These are the quotations, the words said by the actual speaker, which is always in inverted commas. Is that clear to you? Now, how to change this from direct speech to direct speech? There are certain rules, but I am quickly telling you certain changes that we need to notice. Okay? The rules one are together, we will see after this. Now you see, the reporting speech is repeated here. What is said here as it is here. We have added a conjunction called that. A conjunction called that. Various conjunctions will come. Sometimes we can drop this also, or that we are studying the rules to come. Okay? And then this I as a pronoun has changed into he. Here the verb is in present continuous tense, that has changed into past continuous tense. This am is changed into was. These are the changes that has taken place while we change this sentence, which is in present continuous tense, is that clear? In the next class, we will start with the fruits. You should be able to understand now what is direct speech. If the speaker's own words are repeated, the actual words are repeated, that is direct speech. If it is said in a different way, it is indirect speech. Okay, if it is said in a different way. Is that clear? That's all for today. We'll see the rest in the next class.